How do I become a top fan on a Facebook page? Hey, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can become a top fan for a Facebook page. Now, if you're wanting to know how to turn on the top fan badge for your Facebook page, we have a video for that. If you're wanting to be able to see the list of people that are top fans on your Facebook page, we got a video for that too. But this video is if you have a page that you follow, you love, and you want to be a top fan, to get that little badge whenever you post a comment. That's what we're going to talk about now. So here's the thing. Not every page has the ability to have a top fan badge. So the page you're looking at may not even have that option. There's some criteria they have to fall under. Could be they don't know how to turn it on, or they've just never looked. Some people don't even know the option is there or how to go about turning it on. Now, some pages may have turned it on and then turned it off because they didn't want to mess with it. Sometimes having a top fan ability draws in spam. So depending on the page, there may not even be an option to be a top fan. Now, if you're thinking, my buddy runs the page and I want him to make me a top fan so I get my badge. Doesn't work that way. You just can't do it. The only way to become a top fan of a page is you have to follow the page. You've got to make comments. You have got to share posts, like the post, interact with people. And depending on how active that page is, that could be a big undertaking. Some pages, they have so much interaction going on, and some people have been doing it for so long. It's going to take you a while to get there if all of a sudden you're going to say, oh, I'm just going to start this today, go through and like everything. That's probably not a good idea because there's really no use in it. I encourage people to not worry about making themselves a top fan for a page. I would rather see you interact normally. You know, if you've got comments, if you like other people's comments, if you want to interact, share posts and things like that, go ahead and do it. And you might get there. The thing is, you can appear very spammy if you go in and start liking everything all of a sudden and start leaving comments, especially if those comments are useless. If you're just going to go in there and say, oh, great article. Oh, great post. Oh, here's my freaking link. Don't do it. You'll probably get banned or ignored, or the Facebook page owner may see that you made top fan, but you leave shitty comments, so they'll go in and they'll take that badge away from you. Heck, they may even ban you from the page. So to be a top fan on any Facebook page where it's eligible, you have to be interacting and do it in a good way so that when you're displaying that badge and when other people come and look through the comments, they see that you're a real person with real personality, with real input. So there you have it. It's pretty easy to do on some pages. Other pages, not so much. But put a lot of thought into it as to why you would even want to do this. I just wanted to answer the question. I get it a lot, and so here's the answer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that little bell notification so maybe you get notified of our upcoming videos. If you have questions about your Facebook page, let us know, and I'll try to get them answered for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.